Good kid.
So my cat thinks she's doing this.
Stop! Ow! I need to use my computer. No, no. Stop! No.
No. No. Sadie? I can see you're thinking about it.
You don't look very happy. Is it because of me? Are you gonna put all that stuff back?
Gee, Simba, thanks for dusting off the keyboard. What a tough life you have, kitty. What do you see? What do you see? You see the birdies? Yeah? You see those birdies? What is that?
either this is like a video game for them or like casino slots, who knows. And they're actually convinced that if they try to get the mouse on the screen, that they're looking behind the tablet. They think that the mouse is behind the tablet. That's so cute.
If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, say meow.
Ooh, what's going on? Come on, little guy. I'm trying to save you here.
Here she goes, guys. Come on.
Murray! Get out! Is that going, baby?
Oh, you almost got him.
Kitty, kitty, what are you doing?
Cat just ain't right.
You like that? Come on. You gonna speed up? Oh, you're so cute. She's trying to kill.
Are embarrassing loss to Joe and Bonnie and Celebrity.
All right, fine. Next picture. What? You don't know who he is, even? Go on, boy. Scream at him that he should know. This guy was in a movie once. Get me tweeting and put a big head on Mount Rushmore.
You watch that. I'll take care of him.
Hospital beds into ICU beds. We have to make whole hospitals into intensive care units to get through these next weeks. That's how dire, that's how tough this situation is. If we're going to turn a hospital, we think of Bellevue, think of NYU Langone, you go by these huge buildings there.
Like what?
box. Let's go. You need to leave the box now. Oh, there you go. Thank you.
Sweetie. Get those clothes. Look at those clothes. You get them. Look at them. Good job.
Get away! Oh my god.
How about having Howie carry you up the stairs? Yeah, it would be so horrible if you fell again, and I think that Mitch feels that being carried is too demeaning, but I'm not.
What you doing? Are you supposed to be doing that? You little foot?
I can do this one, right?
Hold on, I'm recording.